Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you another reason why you want to have a professional installer do your installation. Someone who's qualified to do it, not just giving you a price and the best price. So in this case, first of all, the customer came over after he had a problem that the car battery keeps on draining. He had taken the vehicle to Mazda and trying to figure out what's going on. And what happens is basically they said this is an aftermarket radio, there's an issue, they disconnected the fuse and said go and find someone to fix the problem because they don't deal with aftermarket, which is understandable. So we had the vehicle coming in and we're trying to figure out what's going on. So we removed the vehicle. So first of all, we see this is very bad connections. This is not professional installer, this is DIY connections. We have lots of wires here that are exposed. We have different wires that are exposed, not installed properly. And we also see that what we can see you can see stuff that are has something to do with knowledge. So first of all, the connections here are very bad. And here, now we can see here, this is the constant power of a radio. This is the memory, this is to retain the memory. We see here the blue wire. This blue wire connected with all those ones together. This is the amplifier trigger turn on. Basically, this one is allowing the factory amplifier to turn on, but it's supposed to be only when the ignition is on, not on a constant power. So this is where we come across those issues. You get systems that are not installed properly, draining your power, and you have a lot of electronic issues. Also, we can see here location of the microphone. This is on top of the dash, and this is not where you want to have your microphone. It maybe looks like you think, oh, it's closer to me. That's not the right place, and the reason is this dash gets a lot of vibration from close to the steering, from the road. Microphones pick up that noise, and it's very hard to have a conversation. The best location is on the top here, next to the map lights. But this vehicle is convertible. Again, professional installer will not have any fear or issue doing that, but DIY mechanics and people who not have that experience will be very worried about running the wire properly. So it's just gonna tack it in like this. So again, if you want to have a radio installed properly, it's always better to find a licensed electrician, someone who has knowledge, someone who has experience, and have it done correctly. It might cost you a few dollars more, but you're gonna have peace of mind and less issues. Because in this case, the customer pays more just to have it all fixed. So twice payment for the same product. For more information, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.